Hello. In this question, it has been asked which best determines the health of a lake used as a source of fresh water. Okay, we have been given four options, right? See, before we go to the options, let's try to understand what is health of a lake. So, health of a lake is basically, is there any harmful organisms there living in the lake? Are there any pollutants, toxic pollutants from the surrounding industries? Or is there any eutrophication happening? Okay, so all these factors, it will affect the quality of water of the lake, right? So let's go to